To use the add-on Simple Discount Badge for WooCommerce, first we'll need to make sure that Simple Discount Rules for WooCommerce is active and installed along with WooCommerce on the website. Now, if I navigate to the settings for this plugin, Simple Discount Rules for WooCommerce, I can go into any of my active settings and then add the badge here. For example, if I directly go onto the front end, you can see I have a couple of badges already active here and a couple of category discounts active which do not have any badge set to them. So if I go to any one of those categories, for example this one, which is discount badge demo, I can see there is a new menu here on number 3 called badge. If I navigate there, I can customize and manage all of my badge settings from here. So the first thing we'll do is we'll enable the badge and select a type. You have three types here: text, image, and preset. We'll go over all of them in this demo. If I select text, I can set a badge text which displays on the badge right now, which is 2026 sale. You can customize it to be anything you want. If I enter here, summer sale, I can select the text background color. Let's say I choose blue. I can select the width and height of the box which is displayed here, the badge basically. I can make it 100, 100. I can select the padding and the border radius for the badge. The padding controls the spacing and the border radius controls the curve of the badge on the corners. I can make it anything like 10, 10, and stuff like that. The position controls the position of badge on the vertical plane, which is should it be top, middle, or bottom, while the alignment controls the horizontal plane, should it be left, center, or right. For the last two settings, we have location. So the location controls where the badge will be displayed. You have archive, single product, and both. Archive is the listing page on the website, which can be shop page, category page, etc. And the single product page is just the product page, which would be something like this. If I go into my badge settings again, the last thing which is priority. So if you have multiple discounts getting affected on one product, you can select the priority to basically decide which badge from the multiple discounts will be applied here. So assuming both of these discounts are being applied on the album here because of the categories selected, I can select the high priority on the badge which I want to display there, as you can see here. Now, for all the detailed settings, if you do not want to basically hassle yourself or you are not very technical, then you can just click load recommended settings and it will automatically apply the settings which are best for the badge to be displayed on any WooCommerce website. So if I keep it at recommended settings and I add my badge here, I can hit enable, next, and then save this discount, which would then display my badge on the discount affected products on this category. So if I reload this page, you can see my badge is displayed here on the two products which were affected by the discounts, summer sale, summer sale. I can go into that discount again, navigate to the badge page. Now if I select the type image, you can see the couple of settings are already present here. But if I want to upload my image, I can select upload image, select an image which I want to be used as my badge and keep the other settings same. Hit next and update. Then the text here will be replaced by the image which I uploaded. It will be automatically resized and repurposed for the badge to be displayed perfectly. If I go into the discount badge again, then we can see the next or the last type for the type preset, which is preset. In presets, you will have readily created badge designs which you do not need to customize anything or upload anything. You can just select one and call it a day. So if I select this one, and if I change the location to both, which is archive and single product page, I can hit next and hit update discount. Now if I navigate to shop, You can see that the preset is applied here. If I go on to the single product pages for both the products, I can see the preset being applied there as well. If I go again into my settings, I can change the location to single product page only. And now if I try to refresh the archive page, they are gone from here, but on single product page, they will stay. So this way you can control the location of the badges as well. Lastly, if I want to remove the badges, I can just go into the discount, disable the badge, and they will be removed while your discount is still active. The other way to remove them would be, for example, if I have the badges enabled, as seen here, you can just deactivate the discount and the discount along with itself will take the badges as well when disabled. If I enable it again, we can see that the discount and the badge both appear again. So yeah, this was it for the working demo of the plugin Simple Discount Badge for WooCommerce. Thank you.